So if anybody was wondering how their C-rate, their Seville, is laid out, what it is take this glove off. What it is you got 1/2 inch plywood right here, okay, and then there's fiberglass that makes an L shape, and then oops, there's fiberglass that makes an L shape right here. That's fiberglass. It looks like wood, but that's only because it was wood stuck to it. But it's actually fiberglass. It makes an angle. It comes up and then it goes over the foam about maybe 5 inches or so, and then it stops. And then from that point, it's just straight foam. Um, it's rotted so bad that I can't really tell the dimensions. But what I think, if you look right here, you can see this little space right here is where the 1/2 inch would be. The 1/2 inch plywood would be, and then this must be like maybe a 2x2 that they set on top of the fiberglass to hold to hold the deck down. I'm guessing. Um, because right under where my finger is, this is probably maybe an 1/8 inch of glass, and then right under that is foam. Um, so I know there's at least 2 other threads where the guys doubled up that 1/2 inch, and now I'm kind of seeing why. I'm seeing why they doubled it up, because um, if you were to measure it, this gap right here, is probably maybe like 2 inches, maybe. So that's why I'm seeing now why they doubled up their stringers, and that's probably more than likely what I'm gonna do too to compensate for not having this 2x2 or whatever laying in here. Because it would be pretty difficult to replicate the original design. Because like I said, the fiberglass comes up and over foam. It's nothing but foam underneath. Okay, let me continue.
Oh, just a little tip when you're taking stuff out, or at least when you're taking out the fiberglass, you gotta score it. Because if you don't score it, it's not gonna come out, man. I don't care how old that fiberglass is. If you don't score it, more likely it's not coming out.
Okay, take a couple quick measurements. At the foot of the gas tank is about as 4 and 7/8. At the front of the gas tank, like it's 4.5. I don't know. I don't know how accurate the measurements are because I mean the wood is so rotted. I'm not really actually that worried about it really. Oh, let me get this measurement on the transom. The transom to the top of the stringer, 4.5. Okay, remember I was telling you about that 2x? That 2x that was next to the stringer? This is a good picture of it. If you're looking at it when it's not so rotted out. You see the 1/2 inch here, and then well, nah, I think it's a 2x2. I think it's a 2x2. I think it's a 1/2 inch stringer and then a 2x2 right alongside of it, bedded in the L-shaped fiberglass. That's how it is. So I don't know. I might do 2 3/4 right here or 2 halves. What you guys think? Should I do two halves PL together or or um or 3/4 PL together? And then also that's a long ass stringer. I think I'm gonna have to um do something to extend it to make that one to make my because I can't the longest piece of wood I can get is 8 feet. Well, I'm gonna have to look that up. Let me get back to work.